Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 7 Patrick Street here in Allenstown. This home is super convenient, it has heaps of potential and it's been immaculately maintained. Let's go and take a quick look.
Here's two things I love about this property. This huge backyard and this massive space that's legal height with endless opportunity.
This is certainly a very deceptive property with so much on offer, from rear lane access, legal height underneath, and plenty of potential. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.